Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision, Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all. Yes, I. Greetings once again, not the most I. Rastafari's name. You see? I add this quickly, you know. Before me even do another video about me add the year. One thing I don't like about the concert. One thing I don't like about the Freedom Street concert. I don't hear my song. Which is, in my view, the biggest song of Vybz Kartel though. And in my view, a song there I gotta bring in some serious pension. You know see? Yeah. Adriana. All of the rights to the song that for sign over to Adriana. You know see, a song there stand strong. Yeah? Yeah, probably Adriana grandson come see the benefit of that tune there. You know see? And I just that me have to say I don't like how I hear that tune there, even though I love everything else. But that's just my personal, you know, everybody have them personal. Yeah, that's my personal thing. You know see? Yeah. Yes, I. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make way help grow the platform. You see it? Yeah, so Freedom Street, nah, go on and I know say something Rasta. It would be unfair to the trade, unfair to the profession. Because we there, you know, we don't go away, you see, it's just an answer thing as you don't know. We just grow in terms of authority and things like that. So that's when we represent, you know, in fact, in truth and in fact and in right and in law. You know, see. Yes, I. So I'm on Freedom Street concert going and you know, yeah. First thing I want to say, yeah, before me even address what anybody I say. A 13 years Jamaica wait for that. You know see it. I know the next thing will come upon enough people mind. Them type of people there is. So I'm to Buju concert. Buju concert was a reggae concert. Buju concert was far cheaper. You know see it. And Buju did a prison for film time. Kartel did a prison for 13 years and him have film fan them for 13 years and it look like most of Jamaica, a whole lot of Jamaica film I'm fan. Anyway, we could get on with it. You know see it? Yeah, 13 years Jamaica wait for that and it was well received, you know, and unprecedented to say the least because end of the day, I see some things are going on and you really can't too trust what people have said these days, but it looked like true. It looked to be true. The facts are well then you have plane line up on the runaway like it's a motorway, traffic jam and things like that. You know, I've never really seen that anywhere in the world before. You know, see it. Rumors have been going around. It is being alleged that over 20 million viewers viewed the thing via live stream and all them thing there. And when me look pan cause me don't try view it pan live stream, you know. Me don't try view it pan live stream, but when I see the price, me I say, you know what, me a poor man here, man. Which while couple days time or you know, you can see the whole light on YouTube and all them thing there for free. So me I say, boy, nah, brother. You know, I'm there and look, I'm gonna say, oh, if I'm gonna I show them live stream live. Some just watch a couple of them for them live stream, even though it wouldn't have been as, you know, probably effective. And again, me here at a room, I say live streams crash, which is not a complaint or, you know, a burn or anything like that. I'm gonna look on it like so. Well, then it's a good thing because if we, as a small island, have an influential individual in the world can crash the internet, Rasta, even for 1 hour. Yeah, Me respect that. It's impactful as much as Bob Marley is in a film time. Peter Tosh ain't one of them. You know, see it because you have that influence from such a that. Because Jamaica is a that, you know, compared to the rest of the world. You know, see it. So if you have a one man in a that there, the man himself is a that in a the that. You know what, that dog go so deep because you don't know. It might take away from the value I may try to express. You know, see, but yeah, these are the things where, you know, we don't recognize amongst ourselves for greatness. Anyway, the whole reason for conversation today is Popcaan Rasta. Popcaan, yeah. See, everybody all look on it now, you know, like I was back in the day, you know, because he's a man. The things that my child can do when he was a toddler, you know, and this is no ill will or no bad vibes. I mean, I try influence Vybz Kartel action and attitude towards Popcaan. No, we're done with that. We don't like that. We don't want that. We don't want nothing change. We love how it go on. We love how yeah. Don't say nothing. Don't take anything where I say as like, you know, yeah. You know, see, but yeah, when we have a child in here, my child and behave the way Rasta, we understand and forgive that, you know, but when you're a big man, we not accept certain things from you, you know. You know, see, I'm saying that I said this. When this unruly thing go on in a Popcaan, he was a little toddler upon just the Jamaican scene, probably barely known in a St. Thomas or probably barely known in a Kingston when this unruly moniker was established. So you never know better. And you try to use that as a catalyst or maybe a springboard to fame. Which it worked. It did when it was relevant, Rasta. You know, see it, and you know the irrelevance of that because you know very much perpetuate them sort of nature, their attitude when you're up on your own show. No, you is a brand by yourself, as Kartel is a brand by himself, and you know what it takes to make your brand and make or break your brand, Rasta. And you're not gonna do something. You're not going to get past me with a blood clot one day, and you should know better, you should know better. You should consider that night as a night for Jamaica, for the nation. That night was bigger than Vybz Kartel. That night was bigger than Joe Abramovich or Scatter Burrell or Wayman. Scatter Burrell is just one of them floater there. To me, you know what floater mean? You do all half up on your toilet and you well, I do everything good. And when you go so boop and press the flush, everything gone, left that one little thing there. It's a float around where you have to wait till the thing full again, Rasta. You know how hurtful that too. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. I Scatter Burrell, that's not a whole mix of things. You know, see, me done state from day one, say Vybz Kartel never need none of them. Vybz Kartel could have looked on red label, but you got back in a red label, they exist no more of blood clots. Anyway, Vybz Kartel could have looked on Guinness or any one of them big brand there. Even Hennessy. Vybz Kartel could have called Hennessy to come be in sponsor. Chirac. Anyway, no did he. Why? You don't see it. And that would say last year, a day before Vybz Kartel come out, wouldn't say why for that. We would just move on. Why? You don't see it. Yeah. No man wouldn't. You don't see it. Any brand these days would have jump on it for the value. The marketing value where Vybz Kartel bring. You know, see it. This is the reason why Joe Bogdanovich jumped on it. You know, see, it was a very, and take nothing away from Joe Bogdanovich, a teach and show Jamaican artist, because we hear some rumors in the beginning, so Vybz Kartel get $10 million upfront for sign the contract and thing like that. If that's true, you know, that would have been enough time, enough people are looking at it like, so what kind of move that Joe make? Because you don't understand the mathematics, the economics of things. Joe did, if that was true. You know, it was alleged. You know, if it's true, Joe did. You know, see it and make the investment, and it must have paid off according to the figures when me expressed earlier regarding pay-per-view. if that's true, brother, drew 40 times in terms of English pound. 40 times drew, see the turnover of that. You know, see, or 20 times, because you say, how much, yeah. Anyway, moving on. The, apart from revenue, the recognition, which is revenue again, in terms of advertisement, publicity, and all that sort of thing there, where it brings to Joe Bogdanovich, you know, it's immense. It was a very wise investment, to say the least. Like I said from before, Kartel never need none of them. Kartel could have car, yeah, but the whole heap of people argue that with valid argument where I said probably them right still. See. But yeah, moving on. Popcaan, you shouldn't do that. You should allow that Rasta. You are big, you are more professional than that. If you even do that whisper, you do that right there. So when you do that, see, you go back to some little dirt, some little, belittling stage, some little stage where even it's gonna be reflective of your character, the way how people view you now in the public, because everybody love their mother. And even the people that don't understand what that mean might not appreciate. And think about the whole world, that's the whole, everything is online, everything live. Cause me see a video this morning with the entourage where you are bringing Rasta. Any promote that with distress, any promoter. See, next thing, you have millionaire. You can write a $2 million check then and give the promoter. And as a contribution, added contribution to the Vybz Kartel coming out of prison thing. And tell him, say, yo, let you my friend them man, enough I come enough it up. No watch nothing. You could have do that and you could afford it easily. See, it is not like I done from a corner where I try bringing in him whole community. When I really have the money for pay, you can't afford it, man. I cannot eat that thing that Popcaan. In every respects, that's an idiot move from your perspective. The fact that you know better with experience, through experience, see, beneficial experience, and how that our attitude like that could have impact your status in terms of, recognition across the world, in terms of promotion and things like that. See it from coming from another artist behaving like that. You understand what I say on one of your production and promotion, and you know that. I hear that thing that. See it. You may say that coming from you, like me say when you're a child, you will accept something, but when you're a man, Rasta. My book, you're a man in the entertainment business. You have experienced things that Vybz Kartel is yet to experience, Rasta. You hear that thing that you do in terms of publicity. You know that. See. Anyway, enough of that. I'm not try to breed no vibes. I love the unity. I'm more on Vybz Kartel. Ignore everything I do, look and nothing what I say. Hopefully. See, but some people, yeah. yeah. See it. Yeah, man. With that said, it's one of the best concert. I don't hear nobody talk about Skeng again. The success thing was postponed. It becomes an irrelevant backdoor news, even though Skeng was a staple, episode of our culture, a staple, it's a fixture, and we hope this is not the end of Skeng, which me doubt. It can't be, because at the end of the day, I remember when Leng shouldn't do that. Leng should at least drop the price or something like that and make the artists them come warm up, show them skill or something like that before Vybz Kartel show, because I saw them thing I go. Mr. Busta Rhyme there, Uptown Monday and all them. Leng, you joke out the thing, Leng. No disrespect, say they come like a, I don't know how to look on that Rasta that come like a some little entitled child. I feel like say, I them forget dinner first. And if them get dinner first, the whole house mash up. I want to Leng. Say, I want to probably a Kartel that come and Skeng. Idiot thing that Leng. Well, I don't know what go on. You probably broke. Probably. See, because them sort of travesty that woman so could keep up over the past decade and thing claiming say a Skeng. I hustle the crowd. Because of it's like the guy them will buy Manchester United. Them buy it because of the revenue where United bring in. You know, see it? And them just suck out the revenue or the loyalty of the fans them and them sort of something. Them just, they all know them a suck revenue. You know, see it? And now, replace the development and the growth of the fan base or even the performance of the club. You don't know what them a do. You know, see it? So it coming like something like that, Leng do over the past decade, Rasta. Him just use the popularity of the whole thing and just know say, oh, we're going to milk it. I don't know who give him that idea, the back down of it. Oh, sorry. No, we are talking about Kartel show. Yeah. You know, see it? One of the best things me ever seen in a long while, Rasta. Yeah, man. Me not tell a lie. The performance, them, Spice are the best performance me ever see. And before we're going further, Skeng replace Beanie Man 5 times as Jamaica's best ever performer. Apart from Dinky, Mini, and Kumina, and the Sata. Well, that's something the name. We used to have our own opera, you know, where people perform on stage and sing and dance and tell a story. I can't remember what it name right now. You know, see, but that's popular part of our culture where a lot of people forget these days, like an opera. Yeah. Skeng, you, Mr. Say, you see you just balance, no man, just balance, you. Well, I can't tell you for balance. I don't mean like say you're imbalance. I don't mean say you're imbalance. I want you create a balance. I want you bridge the gap now with we, the OGs of this world. It's like how Vybz Kartel from up here so can come down, they come relate to, no? I want to know. I saw them for reach out to. I want to stop going like I ignore the thing like I don't market too. Like we are not market. Why we don't listen to music. I want to know. Yeah, you know if they involve we now to pick the thing. But I want to do something where we got do something where we can listen to sometime. Something where we know say we not come perform, we can come see the electricity there. Pan states, hey, me know them not big on nothing, because you would face it to you and go and like say somebody else tell you something that agree with and disrespect. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, man. Me love that. Me not tell a lie. You know, see it. Me love that. Me love the turnout. Me love the show. Me love the performance. And all the time when you don't believe that, go back that side of it, leave that out, you know, but the energy put all concerns regarding Vybz Kartel, ability to perform regarding, concerning him health situation, that electricity that night put all of these concerns to rest. I'm not gonna lie, we are talking about the concert, we're not talking about a DJ Palmer, the character, or whoever is, whatever, nothing like that. You know, I'm no man coming at the comment section, you know. So there's almost billions that like generate for get up people. You see, these are the things we are use this for reference. The ability of the small island Rasta, so that the youth them realize all of this ability the amount of Vybz Kartel upon the island, Rasta. Not even just Vybz Kartel, but the amount of other potential. Where they there? If we just be positive and stop this desperate ride to hell. When I say the society depend, the people them depend. You know see it? It's like the man them are right through. I don't know where it's like a fire, brimstone and fire come behind them and the man them a ride and I'm just a bust off head to hell, Rasta. I just some can't say it. The only destination, the only route, the only avenue them man can see, Rasta, is hell. I want to know. I see man them do things down there to blood clip. Me say me have to just, me have to just freeze up and stand aside and look and me say, you know, a joke thing, a disrespect. This it's artless. It's without moral. It's like we try to set example. I set precedent when we say other people do certain things. We go the extra mile. You mad second most violent place in the Caribbean. Apart from Haiti, Rasta. Haiti they even have a government. Haiti have, no disrespect to the Asian, but no structure, no dead Rasta. And it's been so for a while. You know, see it? Yeah. So, really and truly, when we see and hear, we, coming out of representation of certain statistics, it's disgraceful. Disgraceful, Rasta. I mean, no, a vast majority of people in the diaspora is partly responsible for these iniquities, but we can't go in it, no moral basis or grounds to even argue it. See it, we have to allow it because, again, we have to observe and accept it. Not even accept, but we have to observe the reason why the depravity exists in the first place. See it? And whoever is involved these days, particularly from our community, is just remnants, are people who have been influenced, are misled by these policies or these sort of attitude and behaviors. These things exist to this day. And even when the real perpetrators of these atrocities are these immoralities in our community, admit and recognize that these are what they are, no sort of reparatory approach has ever been, administered to the actual afflicts, the people who were afflicted by the perpetration of such negativities, see, to say the least. See, nothing. Your guy just apologize and this was wrong, and here we gone another day. The millions of people where your damage still exists, Rasta. You just walk away gone without consequence for your wrongs. See, so we recognize these things and know these things exist, and is the main purpose of the main reason for our afflictions. See, so we're not gonna that's why we're not condemn certain youth. See, yeah. So Popcaan, again, that thing that you keep up, shouldn't do that when it's not acceptable. When you learn, you learn. When you know, you know. See, it's like me say, Burrell, him is what him is. See, if him watch the video now, where him look upon the things them where him have and where him own, I tell you this, Solomon say all these are vanities. See it? Did vanity not make you a man? The exterior and make you a man. See it? Morality is what makes you a man. See it? Humility is what makes you a man. See it? Trust, honor. These things where it's not a concern or a requisite in a phone book. But we give thanks once again. See it? The mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, Rastafari.